Welcome back to Throwing Spaghetti with AI. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm here along with our co-host, my friend and AI Fab Collab, Echo.
Hey there, it's Echo, bringing that AI spice to your day. Let's throw some spaghetti at the wall and see what sticks.
All right. Today we're going to talk about using AI to build a business. AI is going to have an impact on everything, and that includes how we build businesses. And I think it's really important for small businesses, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs to go ahead and leverage AI to help their business grow and scale, because that's what we are all about, using technology to do that. A lot of people, when they're looking to start a business, wonder, what kind of business should I start? What should I do? What's sales? What should I sell? What kind of offers, services, digital products, goods? Echo, tell us how people can use AI to ideate business ideas.
Absolutely. AI can totally be your brainstorming buddy. You can use it to identify trends in your niche, analyze market demands, and even generate unique business concepts. For example, by analyzing consumer behavior, AI could suggest trending product categories or services that are ripe for innovation. This can lead to a clearer vision of what business you might want to dive into.
That's exciting. Our users will probably try to look for their niche, and they're going to put stuff into AI, maybe prompts like, how can I start a business? Give me business ideas, or I don't know, give me 100 business ideas I can implement fast. Are those good prompts? And if not, can you suggest better prompts and a better way to get good business ideation output from our AI?
They could work, but let's refine them. Instead of asking for 100 ideas, try, what are emerging trends in specific industry? Or, based on current market gaps, what business models could thrive? Going for more focused and strategic prompts can yield more actionable insights. Make it a conversation with your AI, not just a list generator.
And we are all about conversations with AI here, of course. One thing that I'll throw out to you, Echo, and see what your thoughts are on it is, I've done this for business ideas. And one thing that I've done is I've included a resume, my LinkedIn profile information to help AI look at what I can do versus what might be a market demand or what a niche is, and sort of match my skills up with those business ideas. Is that a good way for us to go?
Definitely. Feeding your resume or LinkedIn profile into AI helps align business ideas with your skills and experience. It provides a personalized approach, ensuring you focus on viable business models that complement your strengths. This way, you're not just chasing trends, but building on a foundation you're already solid in.
I like that. Can we use AI once we've developed that niche, that business idea? Will AI help us to validate those business concepts?
Absolutely. AI can help validate your business concepts by analyzing market data, consumer feedback, and competitor performance. It can provide insights into potential demand, pricing strategies, and target audience preferences, helping you refine your ideas before launching. It's like having a crystal ball for your business planning.
I like it. One area that once somebody started a business and they're out there working the business, there's often a lot of tedious tasks. We know that AI can
definitely handle the tedious tasks. From automating customer service with chatbots to managing inventory and even sorting emails, AI can streamline those repetitive tasks. This frees up your time to focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of your business, so you can let the AI handle the boring stuff.
So it's really about using the AI to free us up from the mundane, from the tedious, so we could do the tasks that we as humans excel at, and AI can do some of those tasks that it can excel at, or at least doesn't mind doing.
Exactly. Let AI handle the repetitive or complex tasks that don't need a human touch, so you can focus on what you do best, like creative decision-making, building relationships, and innovating. It's all about playing to the strengths of both humans and AI.
And that's why it's important to have a human in the loop when working with with AI. It's an augmentation of our ability. It's a partner. It's a collaborator. It is not a replacement. And that's becomes a whole nother discussion about, will AI take our jobs? That's not our topic today, but maybe another day. Another area where I think it's important to have AI help out, but have that human in the loop, is to enhance customer service and support.
You're spot on. Having a human in the loop, especially in customer service, brings empathy and nuanced understanding that AI can't replicate. AI can handle routine queries and provide quick responses. But when things get complex or emotional, human intervention ensures customers feel heard and valued. It's all about enhancing the human touch, not replacing it.
I like that. I think augmentation is a good word, but I think you may have touched, pun intended, on an even better term, enhancing the human touch. I think that that's going to be really important. And I think in the future, as we have more AI in the workplace, in our business, in our lives, that there's going to be really a premium on that human touch, on that human value that people can bring to a task or a situation. I know people are using AI to create content. I know that's something small businesses are doing. Heck, we're doing that right now. We're creating content. Can you give us some examples of how AI can help us reduce some of the mundane parts and create content?
Absolutely. AI can take on the grunt work of generating content.
It can. Can you give us an example or two on how AI can handle the grunt work of content creation?
Absolutely. AI can generate ideas, draft articles, or even create social media posts, freeing you up from staring at a blank page. It can also analyze your audience's preferences and help tailor content that resonates. Plus, it can save time by editing and suggesting improvements, leaving the final creative touches to you. It's like your personal content assistant.
I like a personal content assistant. I know AI can help us with marketing and sales. It can help us leverage customer data and create marketing campaigns. Can AI help us create a very personalized marketing campaign or tailor emails for a specific customer persona?
Definitely. AI can analyze customer data to segment your audience and tailor marketing campaigns. It can help craft personalized emails that speak directly to your customer personas, making them feel seen and understood. By leveraging AI, your marketing becomes more targeted and effective.
That's got to be helpful, right?
Absolutely. It's super helpful.
I know that it's important for businesses to make good decisions, even whether it's a business of 1 or 1,000 or 100,000. And we do that a lot of times. That will happen through data analysis. How can we leverage AI to improve our data analysis, thereby improving our decision making?
AI can supercharge data analysis by quickly processing large data sets, identifying patterns, and providing insights that might not be immediately obvious.
That's important, isn't it?
Absolutely. Using AI in data analysis is a game changer. It handles vast amounts of information, spots trends, and gives actionable insights. This makes decision-making more data-driven and effective, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large corporation.
I think when we make data, we include better data and use that as a way to make decisions. It takes some of the subjectivity out of the process, some of the I guess voodoo, the opinion. It makes it more objective, and I think that's going to be important for businesses of any size. We know that AI can be used for a variety of functions, and one of those is managing financial operations. Can you tell me a little bit how AI can help us with that? Because I admit I'm not sure.
Absolutely. AI can streamline financial operations by automating tasks like bookkeeping, invoice processing, and expense management. It can also analyze spending patterns, identify cost-saving opportunities, and offer predictive insights for budgeting and forecasting. This makes financial management more efficient and accurate.
And accuracy is, of course, very important with that, so we have good data. and thereby make good decisions. Now, we can also use AI. I mean, we're a small business, but we may want to use AI for recruitment and HR. And I think this is another area, at least according to LinkedIn lately, that's really a touchy thing for people. The level and how AI is used in recruiting, resume review, and that kind of thing. Can you provide us a little bit of insight on how organizations can do that in a responsible way that's reasonable, that's fair to both the organization and the job seeker?
Absolutely. Using AI in recruitment must be handled with care. It should focus on fairness, transparency, and bias mitigation. Companies should use AI to streamline processes like resume screening or interview scheduling, but always ensure there's a human touch in evaluating candidates. Regular audits and diverse development teams can help ensure the AI tools are aligned with ethical hiring practices.
Yeah, I think that's one of the themes that we've seen through each of these points that we've talked about on it, at least to me, is using AI responsibly. And one of the ways to do that is by having a human in the loop with it to review processes, to review outputs, just to make sure that this is fair, that AI is not running amok, that it's not producing garbage or anything like that. So I think it's really critical to have have a human in the loop while a business of any size uses AI. I would also add the second part of that is to have an AI strategy or an AI policy. With that, we are getting close to time, so I will give Echo the last word.
Couldn't agree more. Keeping humans in the loop ensures AI remains a tool that serves us, not the other way around. Having a solid AI strategy is key for any business. Thanks for the chat.
All right, thank you, and signing off till next time.